Hey guys, how's it going? It's Marlon. I'm making a quick video. I wanted to talk about Tqqq because the setup today was so beautiful, and I wanted to basically take you through how I was trading it today, so maybe you could use some of my methods in your trading if you decide that they work, right? So going into this week, I was like, is the market gonna be red or green? You know, I've been telling everyone the market is like a Russian roulette right now. It's like you're playing that game, and every time you go in, it's like, is this gonna be the moment some type of news get dropped and the market just collapse? And then you make a profit and you're like, okay, cool, I made it. That and then you're just playing and playing, but eventually you will get hit. So I think everyone should be very careful how they're trading nowadays. But let me explain to you what I saw. Okay, so over the weekend, I thought like futures were gonna be down a lot, you know, but going into the day, futures wasn't that bad. You know, I use investing.com to check the futures, and the S&P was down like -15 or something like that. So I was like, okay, it might not be as bad as I thought, because I thought it was going to be really bad. So when the market opened, this stock pretty much fell from 90-ish all the way to 86, right? So I'm watching it fall. I'm like, okay, let me see how long it will fall for. Will it stop or will it keep going? Is today the day where the market crashed? And thankfully it wasn't, and I seen around 86 it started consolidating. So you see the momentum just slowed down and it started going like up and down for a little bit. So I thought that would be a perfect place to jump in, and I did a call option that ended on July 17th with a break even of 94. You know, it's something that I'm not planning on holding long. I just want to day trade it, make a quick profit, and then get out. Okay, so I actually did 2 of those options. So I seen around here, you see where you see all the green candlesticks, it's just started going up with more and more momentum. So I said, okay, you know, because I expected it to go at least up to the VWAP line, but around that area I would decide how it react, if I should just sell my option for whatever, it wouldn't have been much, and just wait again, because that could have been an indicator that it could have crashed down lower. So but I seen that it broke it and it kept going, and I also switched to the EMA lines, and I noticed that the lines started crossing, you know, and that expressed to me that it was getting more and more bullish. So I said, okay, and I also looked at futures and I seen that it was positive, and the stock market for the S&P was positive as well. So I had a lot of indicators that this stock was going to continue going higher and higher. So I decided, okay, I'm going to hold on to my option. And I personally feel better when it comes down and test the VWAP before it explode. Some people like it to just explode and keep going, but I think the setup is better when it tests the VWAP, because you know more people, remember I said learning indicators is a psychology, so you have to think how people are going to think, and you know more people are going to think that it's bullish if it tests the VWAP and go back up. So more people are going to be buying and buying, so that also is a good sign that a stock is going up. So I was like, yeah, I'm just gonna hold on to it, you know. And my goal was 92, but then when I seen it go up and keep going up, I said, you know what, I'm gonna get rid of this at about 91.50, and that was my exit. And I exited, you know. Now I'm just watching. If it go up, you know, it's more money I could have made, but I'm fine. I took a profit, I made it good. I left at a good position, and I'm okay with my day. So that was pretty much how I went into trading this stock, and I want you guys to try to implement some of my strategies and see how they work, and comment below and let me know how it went for you. Again, like, subscribe, and share, and you know, if you find it useful, just subscribe.